First of all, we're going to start with the 24 karat gold cleanser, and we're going to apply it onto my skin. Today, we're going to apply it onto the skin. It's absolutely awesome. It's really refreshing, and I'm just going to remove my makeup. It's great for aged skin, mature skin, young skin, so any age can use it. You will just want to also, if you want to get rid of all these wrinkles there, so we need to cleanse the skin right through. Cleansing is very important for our daily routine, and you can cleanse your skin really good. So we're just going to apply it onto the eye area. Amazing what it does, it cleanses the skin so much, so have a look at that. This particular product that I've formulated, it's amazing, ladies. And you know what, this will plump the skin, and also it will help to firm and tone, regenerate the skin. And it's made with 24 karat gold in there. So the process is that it will absorb into the skin. So I just use less than a tablespoon. I'm going to add some purified water and just blend it in. You can use it near over your eyebrow because there's nothing in there. It's all skin nutrition is very important for you to look years younger. So that's really tight at the moment. Now we're going to remove the 24 karat gold mask. And always I suggest that you wet your skin right through. Skin's feeling very tight. I want to see what's going to have for the results of that. So I'll just remove it. Now we're going to use the 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle mist. This is a beautiful new invention that I put, and you can just apply it onto the skin. And you'll feel refreshed after you've done your 24 karat mask, and it'll give you that beautiful glow. Now we're going to apply straight away the 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle serum. It is unbelievable, this serum. It's got the hyaluronic acid, and that will help to keep your skin hydrated for long hours. And if you would like to feel refreshed during the day, just reapply the 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle mist. Just makes your skin nice and glowy, and to make you feel refreshed, especially around the neck area. That will help you to reduce all the wrinkles. So also we just need to massage a little bit until it's fully absorbed. Now we have the launch of the 24 karat gold of the skincare, and we can assure you can achieve great results daily. Thank you to look beautiful with the 24 karat gold, and I feel fresh, and it's great to make you feel younger. I feel great.